Hello and welcome to Asian Petrolhead and welcome to our first live streaming. Today we're attending the all-new 8th generation Hyundai Sonatas world premiere taking place in Korea. We don't actually have much time, but really we wanted to show you this new guy and also share the design with you guys. And please excuse us because we're sending this live from a countryside, so there might be a lag and a low internet connectivity. But we'll upload an edited version with higher resolution sometime by tomorrow. So without any further ado, let me just show you the all-new Sonata. I'm very curious what you think about the new Sonata design. Please share us your thoughts on the new design in the comment section. And because we're doing this in live, if you want to see something or if you have any questions, let us know through the comment section. I'd like to start from the side with this new Sonata because it's built on completely new platform. It's actually 3rd generation platform of the Sonata, and it's actually 1 inch lower, and it has 1.4 inch longer wheelbase. So we'll show you the back seats in a bit. And this belt line, this chrome line near the door line is starting from here and it's carried all the way, still going. So last generation stopped here, but they managed to pull it all the way up here. And Hyundai is calling this particular part hidden lamp because it just looks like a chrome strip when it's not lit on, but when it's lit on it works as a DRL, yes, daytime running lamp. Let me just show you. Better to show you than like that. You see it? It's very I don't know how to explain it. It's very unique. I never seen such a long DRL and also that transform its image just like that. Very interesting. And while I'm here, let me just show you the front design as well. There's chrome cascading grille up front, and there's full LED lamp on each side. This is the headlamp, DRL, and also headlamp on here. Let me just show you in momentarily. And this part, the chrome strip is crossing all the way front, emphasizing the horizontal design theme of the car. And down here there's also air curtains on each side, so looks like functional, yes. And if you stay there, let me show you the engine room as well. Oh, by the way, this is how the blinker works, so it's kind of like a dual functional lamp. Okay. Let me just open the, oh wow, it's got shocks on each side. Very easy to lift. Our tester has 2-liter gasoline engine in it. It says Smart Stream technology. It produces 160 horsepower and 14.4 pound-feet of torque, and it's made it to 6-speed automatic. Yes, I'm glad it's not a CVT or DCT. It's good old 6-speed gear selector. I think it will suit better for the comfortable sedan. And Hyundai says they're working on launching also 1.6 liter turbo and hybrid version on the near the end of this year. And for now we also only have 2-liter gasoline or 2-liter LPI model. And we'll show you more about the driving dynamics as soon as we get the press car. So please stay tuned. And yes, of course the Sonata is still front wheel driven. So let me just close the hood and let me show you the interior. Okay. It's quite windy today. Wow. Okay. Okay, we're now, let me just pull the seat back all the way so you can show us the interior. When you walk into the interior, the dual screens greets me. 12.3 inches for the gauge cluster and 10.25 for the infotainment screen. It's got split screens like this, but you can also zoom in and also show you other stuff like that too. And most surfaces you touch is covered with soft touching materials, even on the dashboard and on the door trims as well. But as all models do, they're using some hard plastics on the bottom. And these dual screens, I forgot to mention, but dual screens are easy on your eyes, and it also provides touching, so it's easy to see. And down below, we also have climate control system, which are made of physical buttons and dials, so which are very easy to use. This is heated steering wheel, and this even has air cleaning mode, because in Korea air pollution is getting really bad too. And also below here, looks like it's very similar to Palisades. They're now using new button type gear selector. This shift by wire system allowing lots of room, and the buttons are very largely made, just like similar to Palisade. So, and if you want to manually shift yourself, you can use these paddle shifters located behind the steering wheel. Feels okay too. I've used it on the way here. It's pretty okay to use. And the good news is it's standard across all new Sonata, so that's very good news, I think. And down here we also have 12-volt charger, USB port, and USB fast charging port. And this is the wireless charging pad, parking sensors, around view, it's not working right now, and auto hold, and park assist, and cup holders, some storage area. There's also storage area here too. So it looks like Hyundai wanted to, I guess, jam everything into here. There's even head-up display up here. I don't know if you can see it. Yes. So let me move to the back and also show you the second row seats. Okay. Now I'm 6'2", but as you can see, there's plenty of leg room. Headroom is kind of decent too. I mean, the Sonata has very sloping slope, but roof line, but it's okay. I mean, I can stay here a long time as well, no problem. Down here, there's the air vents for the second row seats, one USB charging port, mat pockets, cup holder, ski through, armrest, and even it's got what you call it, the sunshade for the side. Although it's manual, certainly works well. And there's the two-stage heated seats even there too. And this back one is motorized too. Yes, it's got everything. The seats feels quite comfortable too. I mean, it's very, the upper parts are made of soft touching materials, and I don't know what these are. The gray covers are very nicely done too. And if you see, they carved out this lots of room for your headroom. And let me just show you the rear design. Guys, let me know what you think about the rear design too, because I think it is more polarizing than the front design. I'm really curious what you think about the new Sonata in terms of design, because we'll show you the driving dynamics through a proper review and soon coming. So, quite amazed, right? I'm not sure if it's Sonata. That's why they put this big lettering saying Sonata so that you don't get confused. All right, let me just show you the rear design explain it to you. This is LED combination tail lamp all the way crossing here. And there are some air fins here too. Supposedly improved aerodynamics. I don't know how, where, and how much, but they say that it does, so it's there too. Turn signal, I think it's a bulb type. Turn signal and logo and lettering. Just like I told you earlier, Hyundai likes to put letterings on their new cars, Palisade, Grandeur, Sonata, but I personally think it would look much cleaner without it, but they're there anyways. Some parking sensors, license plate, backup lamp, and also reflector. And there's this, just like similar to the front design, there's this horizontal chrome line crossing the back of the car. And how do you open a trunk for a Sonata? Do you see any buttons? You probably know. You press right there. And just like any other Hyundai Sonatas, it has plenty of trunk space. If you see below, there's no spare tire. They're just giving you mobility kit and some. They don't even give you some tools. Okay. So stay here, and you can also have ski through for the second row passengers. So let me move to the front, and let me know if you want to see anything, because we're out here. We have some time to answer your questions. Let me just turn on my cell phone. Please show the car to the folks. Thank you. Okay. Folks, thank you. Okay, hello everyone. My shopping cart, yeah. Yes, it reminds me of the G72 and probably the 12.3 gauge cluster too, right? Although it's not 3D. Thank you guys for tuning in. Yes, I like the interior. Paul, what new technologies included in this? It's got everything. It's got lane keep assist and forward collision and adaptive cruise control, rear occupant alert, and what do you call it? The safe exit assist. It's got everything. It's got head-up display, and even in Korea, it even works with navigation. The adaptive cruise control will automatically slow down in front of the camera detector and speed up again. So this car has everything. It's got built-in black box up here, 2-channel. So there's something to talk about. Oh, you like the rear design? Splitting, folding rear seats. You know, I don't think the second row seats fold in any way, because they're ski-through, but I don't see any buttons to fold the second row seats. So I'll get back to you on this through a proper review, because I haven't have time to check it. Engine, currently in Korea, we're offered with 2-liter gasoline and 2-liter LPI. Using LPG, and Hyundai says they're gonna introduce 1.6-liter gasoline turbo engine and hybrid model sometime this year, sometime end of this year. So, oh yeah, thank you. So if you want to see anything, let me show you the I guess full LED lightning. Yes, that's all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Similar to Tucson's full LED system. And this is top tier model. It's got P0 tires. So can 235, 45, 18 inches on front and back. And okay, anything else you guys want to see? Because we don't have much time. We have to get back to a starting point. But if you want to see something or have any questions, let me know. Yes, this is full LED system, and like I told you, full LED system with blinkers on the bottom. And actually this part is kind of like they're calling it hidden lamp. You can turn it off and it just looks like a chrome strip, and then when it's on, it becomes a big daytime running lamp. Yes, I think I like it. It's very unique design. It kind of hides away, but when you turn it on, it becomes big DRL. And I haven't used it on the nighttime, but Hyundai makes bright lights, so seems alright. Okay. Let me show you the back too. Yeah, it's very unique. We turned it off, but this is full LED combination tail lamp with bulb type back lamp and turn signal. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If there's anything you guys want to see, we kind of snuck this car outside of the press group to show you guys for a minute, so we have to actually get back. I'm not sure how the internet connection is doing for you guys, so we'll upload the edited version. We're also recording this onto our camera, so we'll also edit it and send you live feed, the edited version tomorrow too. So hope to see you guys with the test car. As soon as the test car is ready, we'll also give you a proper test drive of this new Sonata. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do so, and please stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll be back with more car reviews. Thank you. Okay, my colleagues just said, why don't you just drive a little bit off? Okay. Okay, yes. So let me show you the engine sound. 여기 한번 보여줄래요? And this, I just wanted to let you know, this RPM gauge is kind of backward. I find it really interesting. So let me just show you. Drive mode selector here. There's custom, sports, comfort, eco, and smart. So this actually all the system kind of shows you various information because it's digital cluster. So let me show you the car driving by. Oh, there's a dog. Hello, puppy. So see you guys later.
히터 켜줘. 바람 세게.